apple cider vinegar has been used as a remedy for thousands of years. In ancient times, it was used to treat coughs and infections. Today, this humble kitchen staple is touted as a weight loss aid, acid reflux remedy, and more. In today's video, we look at 6 ways adding apple cider vinegar, or ACV, to your diet can help you lose fat, according to science. Watch till the end to find out how to incorporate this fermented food into your daily routine. As always, this video is educational and does not constitute medical advice. We are not doctors. Number 6. ACV makes you feel full. A 2005 study published in the European Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that patients fed white bread soaked in vinegar felt more full than the control group, who were fed the bread alone. Satiety was measured by subjective rating. Taking ACV before a meal may help you eat smaller portions at mealtime, since it'll help you feel more full before and during the meal. Number 5. ACV improves blood sugar levels. The higher your blood sugar, the more you are likely to crave sweet things. Low sugar and complex carb meals supply your body with constant energy as they take time to convert into glucose. This is what your body prefers, since blood sugar levels are kept in balance. High sugary snacks are quick to metabolize and only supply a quick boost of energy. When your blood glucose levels go up and down quickly, your body will crave more sweets. This explains why sugar cravings are such a vicious cycle. When taken with meals with complex carbohydrates, vinegar has antiglycemic properties, meaning that it can help stabilize blood sugar. In fact, vinegar lowered postprandial glycemia, or post-meal blood sugar levels, by 20% compared to a placebo. Number 4. ACV prevents fat accumulation. In another study, the dietary acetic acid in apple cider vinegar was shown to reduce total cholesterol and triglycerides in the blood. This occurs through the inhibition of lipogenesis, or the transformation of energy into fat in the liver, and an increase of fecal bile acid excretion. Number 3. ACV impacts insulin receptors. Insulin affects the digestion of dietary fat and how it gets used in the body. It also affects how fat is stored. If insulin levels are high, then the lipases, or enzymes that break down fat, are highly active. If they are low, the lipases are inactive. In this last case, fatty acids are made into fat molecules and stored as fat droplets. In insulin-resistant subjects, vinegar ingestion reduced post-meal blood sugar levels by 64% as compared with placebo values. It also improved post-meal insulin sensitivity by 34%, demonstrating that vinegar helps manage insulin levels and insulin sensitivity in diabetic and non-diabetic patients. Number 2. ACV detoxifies the body. ACV absorbs toxins in the digestive tract and helps eliminate them. It also prevents toxic buildup by regulating bowel movements. When your body can get rid of toxins efficiently, other processes, like metabolism and digestion, become easier to manage. Number 1. ACV reduces belly fat and waist circumference. A study published in 2009 found that obese people who consumed between 15 milliliters and 30 milliliters of vinegar diluted in 500 milliliters of water daily for 12 weeks experienced reduced belly fat and waist circumference, lowered blood, triglycerides, and weight loss. 15 milliliters, 1 tablespoon, lost 2.6 pounds or 1.2 kilograms. 30 milliliters, 2 tablespoons, lost 3.7 pounds or 1.7 kilograms. Next, how and when should you take ACV? When possible, always choose an organic, raw and unfiltered vinegar that has cloudy deposits at the bottom of the bottle. This cloudy, stringy, probiotic-rich blend of yeast and bacteria that is often visible in the bottom of a bottle of apple cider vinegar is referred to as the mother. This means that the ACV hasn't been filtered too much and all the good stuff is still in the bottle. Here's how to incorporate more ACV in your diet. Shake the bottle of apple cider vinegar and start by adding 1 teaspoon to a cup of water and drink it once a day. Increase the amount of vinegar over time. Eventually, get to 2 tablespoons of vinegar in your cup of water and drink it 1 to 3 times a day. Take it an hour before a meal, as well as first thing in the morning, to kickstart your metabolism. Here are 2 things you need to know when using apple cider vinegar. First, ACV is very acidic, so you need to dilute it to protect your teeth, throat, and the lining of your stomach, never drink undiluted ACV. You can also use ACV as a salad dressing and flavoring for your cooking. Incorporating a little turmeric will also boost your body's ability to lose weight. Second, if you're taking any medications, do not mix with large doses of apple cider vinegar or an ACV supplement. Always consult with your doctor first to prevent any unwanted interactions. Do you want to lose excess belly fat and boost your energy? Are you tired of exercising and dieting and not seeing the pounds drop off? Then be sure to get our brand new free report, 10 Foods That Fight Visceral Belly Fat, by clicking the link below now. Weight loss is not hard, but it is never as simple as just doing one thing. If you want real, permanent results, you need to change your lifestyle. A healthy weight comes from eating a balanced diet of whole foods, daily exercise, adequate hydration, getting enough sleep, and intermittent fasting. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe, and click on the bell icon so you never miss a video. And now, over to you. Are you taking apple cider vinegar daily? Have you experienced weight loss benefits? Leave your comments below. We would love to hear from you. Click the link below to get our brand new free report, 10 Foods That Fight Visceral Belly Fat.